Alright, we've got a 2006 Powerhouse mini excavator. These little things are perfect for around the house, small contractor. As you can see here by the hole I've been digging, really a small workhorse. Real simple design, rubber tracks, has the backfill blade, hydraulic backfill blade. This little machine will go down about close to 7 feet deep. You know, it's powered by a 13 horsepower Honda, and as you'll see in the videos, it's really a small workhorse, easy to transport, lightweight, and electric start, and also has the recoil starter here. For any questions, give me a call back. I'm going to start this up, move it back and forth. You've already seen the videos of it digging. And for any questions, give me a call, 419-566-0675.